This is the Great Alpine Bright 19 foot. It's a family van. You can choose to have it in a queen and triple bunk or queen and double bunk. So a family of 4 or 5 can be accommodated into this van. You can see there's a toolbox for all your wet weather, dirty gear, gas bottles. We've got our Silver Shine Australian chassis, Australian steel. It's got a coupling here, standard coupling. You may choose to option this out to a DO35. This has 2 batteries, 2 solar, lots of water, and you can add to that or subtract, whatever you choose. But let's have a quick walk around. So standard sort of features is you've got a larger size tunnel boot, and this is all the gear that comes with your Great Alpine van, your jack, your reversing camera screen, your TV. So we have the awning, pull out manual step, Aussie Traveller door, speakers, table. This is a twin axle. You've got all your power and table here. So I guess all the things you need in a caravan. Because this is a family van, it's got bunk beds in the back. So this is the bathroom this end here. This is your toilet cassette here. We'll have a look inside in a minute. To the rear, you can see the reversing camera. These are the 3 windows to the bunk beds, triple bunk bed, the 3 windows. So you have your connection point for the water. If you're in a caravan park, your filling tanks, when you're filling your 2 tanks, front and rear water tanks, you have an external shower, hot water unit, and that tunnel boot that goes right through that we saw earlier. So let's go inside and have a look. As you can see, this is a north-south queen size bed, and storage underneath for. So here's some storage here. So your hanging storage, you got shelving up the top, drawers. So easy access, and you've even got little nooks over there for your laptops and for your devices. And if we swing around here, you'll see there is a lounge area here with a nicely stitched leather and big table, easily accommodate 2 adults, maybe because you can sit on the bed. So 2 adults and 2 kids easily here. You've got your entertainment unit, overhead storage, your pantry, your kitchen, your sink and your cooktop. You've got a small work area there. And as you can see, you've got drawers and you've got storage for your pots and pans. And look at that, a pantry. You know, with a family of 4 or 5, you need lots of food. So this is a compressor fridge, 170 litres. NC microwave, some storage underneath. And if you come around here, you'll see the actual bunk setup here. So we'll cover the bathroom first. So you've got a dry bathroom here, which we can film. Okay. All right. Beautiful. That's it. Again, to my right is your shower, your standard caravan shower. So very practical. All right. And here, have a look at the triple bunks. They're amazing. 3 kids, no problem. With lights, power, and nice little window. It's a bit of a cubby house for them. This is a customer van. There's another van, a stock van over there. You may choose to get one custom built for yourself with your own specifications, but come and talk to the team at Great Alpine and then they can help you out. 2.1 tear weight, light van, can be towed with a normal SUV. So again, time to start exploring.